You may or may not like this watch. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. A lot of people were waiting for Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, but they get disappointed to see how it looks like and drop the rotating bezel. But some people actually like the Watch 5 Pro without rotating bezel, and one most important thing, the size is fairly big, and thickness on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is more than what Samsung claimed. Meanwhile, if you guys have no issues with the size of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you can head over to Samsung's official website to pre-order your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and get a free credit on it. And if you like the bigger battery, then surely Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is the only Galaxy Watch option you have. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Did you like the thickness of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? And are you guys interested in getting the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? As per a couple of people who like metallic band for their watches, I put a link in the description box below, you can check it out. Most of the people complain about the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro design and the size of it, most importantly the thickness. And it is true that the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a fairly big watch. And as per Samsung claims, Watch 5 Pro is 10.5mm thick, which is not true. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro actual thickness is around 15.07mm, which is 4.6mm more than what Samsung claimed. And I think if Samsung gave us the real number, we wouldn't be shocked since the battery of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is way bigger than its predecessor, 590 mAh. And with that much of battery, your watch can last around 3 days, and it is already tested. Using GPS for hiking around 1 hour, the watch dropped around 10%, which is amazing. Everything comes with the pros and cons. And Galaxy Watch 5 Pro brings bigger battery but with bigger size. As we all know, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro comes with the new durability, like giving us a new titanium build and a sapphire glass for better protection, and raised corners for better protection of glass. But due to this, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro looks outdated, and that is what most people talked about. But here's a catch. After losing rotating bezel, you can actually touch the edge of a watch to select the features, and with the raised bezel, it is kind of easy. We just need to put our finger closer to the edges and change it. Pretty easy. Samsung changed the targeted consumers of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It added the adventurous people in it. For those people who like hiking or cycling, this watch is perfect for them. Since with its new GPX feature, you can actually put GPX file in it and travel with your watch and have a map on your wrist. And this watch will guide you turn by turn. But at the same time, if you guys like some premium watches, Watch 5 Pro is also a good option with a bigger battery. And if you like a watch which is less thicker and heavier, then you can go with the Watch 5 instead of Watch 5 Pro. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Did you like the thickness of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? And are you guys interested in getting Watch 5 Pro? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.